All viewer and dear students, once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new exponential equation. So this question is very pretty question. Let's come we start and also verify we can the proof of this question. So 2 exponent of a dot 2 exponent of a is equal to 100. We find the value of a is unknown. According to the exponent rule, when the bases are same and we add their exponent, and here we are using these rules. First of all, we write the rule a exponent of m dot a exponent of n is equal to a exponent of m plus n. According to these rules, we can apply in here a plus a. We take one base and we are adding in here a plus a is equal to 100. And 100 we can also write 10 square. So now we add this result 1 plus the coefficient of 1 a is equal to 1 so we add 2a is equal to 10 square. Now we are also write this term according to the rule. So this rules we are applying in here. 10 we can write 2 multiplied by 5 we can write 2. So it means that in here once again we are using the rule a dot b whole exponent of m is equal to a exponent of m and b exponent of m. According to this rule we are open this term, so 2 square and 5 square. Similarly here 2 square and here is also 2. So now we are dividing both sides by 2 square are divided to each sides 2 exponent of 2 and 5 square divided by 2 square both are cancelled. Now we are using in here exponent rule. We take one base and we subtract their power. According to this rules, a divided by b, a divided by m n is equal to a exponent of m n. According to this rule, we are subtract in here this rule 5 square is remaining. 2 exponent of 2a minus 2 is equal to 5 square, and also we can write in here as log on both sides. Now according to the exponent of logarithm power rule, so m exponent of n times log of m. We are applying on both terms this formula 2 exponent of a 2a minus 2 log of 2. So log of 2 is equal to 2 log of 5. Now dividing both sides by log of 2. Log of 2 is divided on both sides, so this will be cancelled to each other, and here we are using the base law log of, we take one base 2 exponent of 5. Now 2a minus 2 is equal to 2 log of 2 power 5. Now we change this result. We are needed the value of a, so we change this result to a is equal to 2 plus 2 log of 2 exponent of 5. Now we are required a dividing both sides by 2. This result we divide 2 divided by 2. A is equal to 2 divided by 2. Each term is divided to the right side, log of 2 divided by 2. So this will be cancelled. A is equal to 1 and 2. 2 are both are cancelled. We get 1 plus log of 2 exponent of 5 is the value of this result. Now we want to verify that we can verify the result. Verification. Verification is required, and here we check in place of 2 exponent of, we can write 2a is equal to 100. This is the question mark. In place of a we put the value of a is 1 plus log of 2 exponent of 5 2 and 2 1 plus log of 2 exponent of 5 is question mark is 100. Now we are, according to the rule, we are multiply this term 2 plus 2 log of 2 exponent of 5 is question mark is 100. Now we are eliminated by exponent rule. It means that the power of here is 2 is the base and power is 2, and here is the power is this one. We are eliminate this one. 2 exponent of 2 dot 2 exponent of 2 log of 2 exponent of 5 is question mark is 100. Change this 2 into the form of power. So 2 exponent of 2 into 2 exponent of log of 2 and 5 square is question mark is 100. So here we get 4 and this will be equal to 1 and 5 square is remaining is, so 5 square we get 25 is question mark is 100. If we multiply both terms to get 100 is equal to 100, both result are same. So our answer is 1 plus log of 2 exponent of 5 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for your comments and please subscribe my channel.